Hey, what's going on, all my rideshare driver friends out there? Hey, listen, I just wanted to give you a quick warning. Just thinking about how unemployment should be running out for all current rideshare drivers. So if you drove last year in 2019 and now it's 2020, if you're anything like me, I drove full-time last year in 2019, and then this year I've been collecting unemployment due to COVID. So getting unemployment from the CARES Act that was passed, and now I've been collecting unemployment, which will end, it's scheduled to end in December unless there's a new stimulus bill. But here's the thing I've been thinking about lately: how, what happens when the unemployment runs out? Do we rideshare drivers go back to work? Is there going to be work? And will there be enough work? So I was thinking about that, and I was also noticing that new drivers have already signed up. So new drivers, this applies to you too. So in the current year of 2020, if you're a new driver, currently driving for Rideshare, driving for Uber, driving for Lyft, and you are thinking about, and you're making decent money right now, and you're doing Uber, and you're doing Uber Eats, and you're doing Lyft, if you're making decent money right now, when that unemployment runs out for the past drivers, guess what? They're going to be out there trying to get rides too. So what that's going to do, what's going to happen is all those drivers that are currently collecting unemployment, what's going to happen is they're going to be out there in the market now along there with you. They're going to be in the market with you, and they're going to be taking up a big percentage of that market share. Now, what that means is that all the drivers that are out there that are making money right now, your business is going to be cut in half, right? It's going to be cut in half. And all the drivers coming off unemployment are, they're not going to be making as much income as they were before either. So now you're going to have a bigger pool of people and even less riders. So there's going to be more drivers and less riders out there. So that's going to be a big problem. So I want you to think about that. And if this affects you in any way whatsoever, make sure you subscribe. Make sure you ring the bell. So because what I'm going to be doing, I'm going to be bringing out more videos to show you how to be prepared when unemployment ends, how to make money online, how to supplement and get out of rideshare. So you won't have to drive, and you won't have to depend on rideshare, on Uber, on Lyft to pay your bills, to take care of your family, to make sure you have a future income, and also to make sure you don't depend on the government, because the government's just going to keep you down. All right, yeah, it's great to have a little bit of security once in a while, but don't depend on that. Don't make that your way of life. That's not what I'm going to teach you on this channel. So if if you don't agree with what I just said, and you don't want to learn how to make money outside of rideshare, definitely feel free to unsubscribe, because that's what I'm going to be teaching you. Okay. And then also, if you want to take your rideshare business even further and you want to become a professional driver, I can teach you that as well. So that's what I do here. My name's Nick Newsome. This is the Rideshare Hustle. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you on the next video. Peace.